Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Toddler Time. I'm Miss Mary. Have you been enjoying the snow? Maybe you've made a snowman or a snow angel, or maybe you built a snow fort. Today, I have a new friend, and my new friend does not like snow. This friend likes water. Do you know who this is? If you guessed the pink fish from the Cat in the Hat book, you are right. And if you watch the TV special, The Cat in the Hat, you found out his name. His name is Carlos K. Crinklebine. Good morning, Carlos.
Good morning, Miss Mary.
How are you today?
I'm all excited.
Well, why are you excited, Carlos?
I'm excited because you're talking about some of my favorite books.
Oh, great. Well, the books that we are going to talk about today go along with a fun song. And maybe you've heard that song before. Carlos is going to dance with the music, and you can dance too.
Ping pong. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark do 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 do, mommy shark.
Daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark do 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 do, daddy shark.
Grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark do 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 do, grandma shark.
Grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark do 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 do, grandpa shark.
Oh my! Carlos is all tired out. Do you know what that song was? Did you guess Baby Shark? If you did, you are right. And it came off the CD, Pinkfong Baby Shark. Pinkfong presents the best of Baby Shark. And the CD also has songs on it like Tyrannosaurus Rex, The Penguin Dance, Christmas Sharks, and even Halloween Sharks. Carlos has some friends here today. Let's see if we can count how many of his friends came. I'm going to point to a shark and you count with me. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sharks are here. We just counted in English. Let's see if we can count in Spanish. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good. Oh, Carlos is still excited. He likes that shark because that shark is pink, just like Carlos is pink. Let's see if we can go over the other colors. Ready? Green, yellow, pink like Carlos, orange, and blue. Good. Our first story that we have today is called Pinkfong Baby Shark Chomp. And it's published by BuzzPop. Can you open and close your mouth? This book, the mouth is open, but if you pull the tab, it can close. Baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark do 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 do, baby shark. Let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt do 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 do, let's go hunt do 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 do. Let's go hunt. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away, do 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 do. Run away. I'm not going to read any more of this story, but if you would like to hear how it ends, come into the library and check it out. Another baby shark story we have is called Pinkfong Baby Shark and the Family orchestra. In this book, Baby Shark's family is playing instruments, and the singer loses her voice. What happens? Is the concert over? Check this book out to find out. This book is called Pinkfong Baby Shark Meet Baby Shark, and it has tabs along the side for the different characters. If I touch this turtle and I open it up like this, there's the page with the turtle. If I touch the yellow shark, I open it up, and there's the page with the yellow shark. Have you ever played hide and seek before? If you have, this book is called Hide and Seek Baby Shark, do-do-do, and it's a counting book, but you count down in it. It's a fun book because you can touch the sharks and poke them. They're soft and squishy. This book is not a board book, but it's a good book for Valentine's Day or any time, really. If you want to read it to your toddler, you could read it in sections. Read a few pages at one time and then read a few more pages at another time. It has great illustrations in it. The art is by John Boucher and it's published by Cartwheel Books. If you look carefully, down at the bottom of the page, there's a little circle and it's a motion for blowing a kiss because this page talks about blowing a kiss. All of these sharks have great big smiles and they're telling Baby Shark how much they love him. And down at the bottom is the motion for the heart. The end of this story on the back page, it has I love you, Baby Shark, and it's a dance. And it's filled with all different motions that you can do. Before we go today, we're going to finish up with our rhyme. I'll see if you remember it. We did this a long time ago. It's called Open, Shut Them. Open, shut them, open, shut them, raise your hands up high. Open, shut them, open, shut them, wave and say goodbye.